Good morning, everybody. It is Monday. I have no idea what the date is. Like the 17th or 18th, something like that. 2021. And got a few hauls from a few stores this weekend. So I had a delivery Sunday. I just needed milk, eggs, and stew meat and stuff from the local market, and they switched some stuff out on me. So I wanted stew meat and I got this, so we'll be canning some chili because that is not stew meat, that is beef fine cubes. We got 2 packages of mushrooms. I also got a gallon of milk and some eggs. They're in the refrigerator. I got 3 pounds of butter. I got a stick of pepperoni that I will slice thin on the slicer and vacuum seal and put in the freezer. I got some doggy treats. These are for the littles because it's something they can chew on. I got some basmati rice to add to my basmati rice. I got some pad thai sauce. I've not tried that, but I have the rice noodles, so I thought, what the heck, for a prepper pantry meal. I got a pad thai noodle kit. Haven't tried that either. Sounded good though. I got some Old El Paso Spanish rice. All these boxed items and stuff were $1.50 or less. I got a lemon cake mix to do some cookies for my collab. I got some stovetop cornbread stuffing. I got 3 boxes of beef rice-a-roni. I got some shampoo and conditioner, some Aussie, and I got a L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. I got a can of red beans and rice. I got a can of tender small artichoke hearts. I made the best portobello stuffed mushroom caps with a steak last night. My husband and I usually can split a steak. They're so big. And I stuffed them with some spinach, some canned artichoke hearts I chopped up, some onion, garlic, about 2 ounces of cream cheese, salt and pepper, and topped it with the French fried onions. You can use panko crumbs or whatever. And I just put everything on the grill and it was so good. I got some pink salmon, which has a little dent right there, but it's not in the seam, the top or the bottom, so it'll be okay until I use it. I got some General Tso's sauce. I got another package of Carb Balance for hubby's breakfast coming up next week. I got 2 packages of Applewood smoked chicken. Haven't tried that. I got some white chicken chili mix. I got a package of hollandaise sauce. And I got a package of beef and broccoli seasoning. I got another can of crab meat. I got a can of Creole gumbo base. I got some Zatarain's chicken fry mix, hot and spicy. I got some cheesy scallop potatoes. And then these I have not seen before. They're crispy skillet potatoes. One is Parmesan herb and the other is roasted garlic and herb. So we'll try those out. So yeah, that is, oh, and I got, did I say 2 packages of mushrooms? So yeah, I'm going to start working on some canning projects. I'm not going to the grocery again. I do have my auto ship coming on the 21st. But other than that, I'm going to be cooking from whatever I have in the refrigerator, freezer, pantry. And yeah, that will be what I'm doing this week. Just cooking with what we have. So I'm going to do a couple of canning recipes. I have 3 canning projects coming up for you guys. I have a cookie collab with Teasers Pleasers coming up for November every Saturday. A cookie recipe, and I think I'll do cookies with minimal ingredients because it is getting harder. Our stores are looking pretty barren, especially the meats, frozen section, fresh food section, and a lot of the center aisles are starting to look pretty wiped out. So I have a few orders coming in, so I'll do hauls of those when they're here, but they're at like a auto ship thing, pre-order, that I do every month. So yeah, I hope you all are doing well. It looks pretty nice outside other than the wind. My fall allergies are kicking in. So yeah, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you soon in the next video.